तो क्या है वो पर्पस? हमको इस दुनिया में, हमको इस अर्थ पे क्यों भेजा गया है? डू यू ऑलवेज फील दैट देयर इज सो मच इनसाइड ऑफ यू, that you are so much more capable, that you have so much of potential within you? Do you feel that thing often? Yes. And each and everything is right, because you are here for a higher purpose. You are here to make a big difference. You are here to live a life of purpose, to bring a massive difference in the life of many people. That's why you feel that urge to live a life of purpose. That's why you often find yourself in a position that you feel that I'm not fulfilled with whatsoever thing I'm doing. You know why? Because you are capable of so much more. You have that infinite potential because you are born for a purpose. There is a reason behind your existence. You are here for a greater cause that will change the world. If you are someone who is seeking a life of purpose and meaning in your life, watch the video till the end. When I started my journey of living a life of purpose and asking such questions, before that I was lost. And I thought that I do not have any potential to create any massive difference in anyone's life. You know, the irony is we all think at some point we all think that we do not have potential, I do not have anything. But the time we open up, the time we open ourselves for the divine energy, for the universe to help us. But how it happens? When we give a clear sign, when we are utmost clear about our goals, about our vision, about our mission, about our purpose. You know, the harsh reality is we all want to be successful, we all want to create some impact, we all want to bring a massive difference in our life as well as others. But why? Why only 0.1% or even 1%, they do that and all others are not able to do that? What is the reason behind that? The reason is we are not clear. We have never worked on that clarity, and that's what happened with me. I was aware that I wanted to create something substantial, I want to do something which I thought I was not capable of. Then what happened? I was like, I have to do it, but I didn't know what to do. So I started meditating. When I started meditating, what happened? That I will give you an example, that we are able to, hear every word which I am speaking. But what if the place where you are, if you're not using an earphone, there's so much of noise, there's so much of sound, you won't be able to listen to me. So that is what is happening inside our mind. And we always say that listen to that inner voice, listen to that inner voice. But what if there is already so much of external noises that sometimes we are unable to know that what is my inner voice, because there is so much of other noises as well, so much of external influences. And when we think that that's some noise or some external voice, we start following that path. And then we think that, man, that is not my interest. That is not something which I want to do. What happened then? Because you were influenced by an external factor that was not your inner voice. वो आपके अंदर की आवाज थी ही नहीं. That was not your inner voice. But we thought that is our inner voice. So to know the purpose, to seek clarity, you got to meditate. And gradually, as I meditated, जो जितने noises थे ना, वो सब नीचे आ गए. और फिर एक जो inner voice बोलते हैं, एक voice जो अंदर से आती है. When you start following that path, when you start listening to that voice, you become unstoppable. लोग कहते हैं मैं कोई काम करता हूँ, वो अंदर से ड्राइव नहीं आता करने का. I don't feel like doing it. Why? Because you are doing it for maybe money, for maybe fame, for maybe anything else. So, till the time which it is not coming from within, and it is not including a bigger cause that is bigger than yourself, it is not your purpose. Start questioning every action of yours. Start. What is the purpose behind this action? What is the purpose behind watching this video which you are watching right now? Every action, start questioning. The moment you question, you will be clear. So you will get clarity. And the clarity will lead you towards your purpose. and the purpose behind your action, and you'll get to know what is the purpose of your life. And it will take time. Till the time, you have to keep questioning every single action of yours. What is the purpose behind this action of mine? And the practice of meditation that I mentioned. So just meditate. Learn meditation, learn about yogic science, learn about yogic knowledge. The knowledge about yourself, the knowledge about your reality, the knowledge of why you are here, what is your purpose. Because we can see every single second, every single moment, people are coming on this earth and they're leaving and they're going and they're dying. Just being here and doing job, study, and marrying and all those things, that can never be the purpose of our life. What do you think? आप बताओ. मुझे तो नहीं लगता. आप देख सकते हो हर चीज़, there's a wall behind or mountain or whatsoever, every small thing, हर चीज़ के पीछे एक पर्पस है, उसका छोटा सा एक काम है. इन द सिमिलर वे हमारा भी एक काम है जिसके लिए हमको भेजा गया है. और बिकॉज ऑफ सो मच ऑफ डिल्यूशन एंड सो मच ऑफ सोशल कंडीशनिंग हम उसको भूल गए हैं. बट द मोमेंट यू मेडिटेट, द मोमेंट यू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, you are into the moment, you are into that zone of asking questions and receiving answers. And one thing, I will like to suggest you that whensoever you are going to sleep, just ask this question to yourself, that what is that thing which I am here for? And not a whomsoever you believe, whether it is God, divine, your guru, or any energy or anything which you believe in. Just ask this question to your God or your divine. That divine, I don't know why I'm here for, what I'm here for. Please reveal that thing to me. I would love to follow my divine calling, because I'm not here forever. And I'm here for your work. I'm here to become an instrument of divine or God. And that is my life's purpose. So keep asking this question. Throw this question every single night before sleeping, and sleep with peaceful heart. And I really believe that the purpose of life is the life of purpose. So keep asking this question and live a life of purpose. And I'm here to help you in becoming the best version of yourself by uncovering your purpose and creating a purpose-driven career and life which leads you towards fulfillment and abundance. If you wish to learn from me, book the clarity form which I have attached, and see you inside the exclusive call. And before you go, just subscribe to this channel and let's stay connected. Lots of love. Bye bye.